Hello, this is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I have got on my hands a Coda base coat. My base color is Candy Hearts by Sinful Colors Candy Johnson Collection. I'm going to be doing some stamping. I'm going to be using this Indie polish that I bought several years ago. I cannot pronounce the name of it, so I'm hoping you can see it better than I can. It is a pretty beautiful blue that dries matte. I'm going to be using this as my stamping polish. I have my trusty lint roller handy, my jelly stamper, my Born Pretty scraper, and the plate I'm using today, well, the glare, is Bundle Monster 169. This image I put on my pinky. This image is what I'm going to be doing next. But I'm going to turn it facing me. Hope you don't mind. Hope you don't mind. And it is a beautiful pickup. I'm putting it on my thumb, and I'm going to have to do it where I can see it. Sorry about that. Oh, it didn't transfer. Oh no. What is up with that? Oh no, I've never had that happen before. You clean the plate really good. Dry it off. Whoops. And we'll try this again. I'm not too sure what happened. I mean, maybe because it's a matte polish. I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of. There, it transferred that time. Keep calm and polish on. That worked beautifully. We're going to try a couple more images. So let me clean the plate. Don't want no nasties on my plate. I think I'm going to try this image here next to all the nail polish bottles. Let me see how well that showed up there. I think I will use black this time. Oh, wait a minute. I am going to use Endless Blue by Sinful Colors. See how that one comes about for stamping. I love this color of blue. I think it's a beautiful color, and I do need to get a backup bottle of this. As you can see on camera, it shows up as a beautiful blue too. Oh, I did it on the wrong one. Oh my goodness. This is what I get for doing things in the middle of the night. Here in Michigan, it is approximately 5 minutes after 4 in the morning. And I am up doing videos. My birthday is next week, and I plan on getting a French manicure done. And I want to be able to wear it for a couple of weeks. So, I have to have videos prepared to go on. And there's some bottles of nail polish. It's not the best transfer, but this is the brand new plate for me. Hey, we're just checking out and seeing what things look like. I do really like this plate. I hope you're liking the video so far. I think we've hit 5 minutes. So here's my stamping mani, showing you how to do some stamping. Remember to, when you do your top coat, you have to float it across your nail. Have a good sized bead and float it across. Don't drag your brush or else it will smear it. Remember that. Let me show you again. Wipe the back side of your brush off, not the front of it, just the back. Glide it across your nail. Once down the center, once down each side, and back down the center again. Don't forget, whoops, cap your nails. I'm going to do my pinky since I did stamping on that one as well. Once down the center, once down each side, and cap your nails. And there we go. The 101 of stamping in the middle of the night with Just Nailed It. Well, I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Please leave a comment down below. I always like those. And click subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.